Robertshaw Thermostat display low 8A with the top of the E cut off. We've turned it off and on, checked the breaker, replaced the backup battery, checked the filter. Can't find the code in the manual. Any idea? Also checked pipes and unit outside and it doesn't appear to be frozen.
Do you have the model number of your thermostat? If it has a manual fan on /auto switch.does switching it to on let the blower come on.
Hi, I got it figured out. My mother-in-law, the battery's in backwards.
Oh, good deal. Well, thanks for the reply. Your deposit will remain in your account for future use.
Great, thanks.
No problem. Have a good one. Tom.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.